and we're here at the Work Truck Show to reveal our latest product. This beast here, built with a Utilimaster body. It's an F-59 chassis and it has lithium-ion batteries, so it's the first application of lithium-ion batteries. These are BMW batteries, so we're really excited about that. And what that does for our commercial customers is it lowers the overall cost of the batteries, and it's also a proven technology. These are batteries that are used in the i3, and with this product, because we use multiple batteries, there's a lower power to weight ratio, so we're not stressing the batteries as much as you would in a BMW i3. So even though you think a commercial vehicle, you're going to be stressing the batteries more, we're actually stressing them less. That just helps with improved reliability, which is so important for our commercial customers. The range on this is between 85 and 100 miles. It really depends on application, depends on loading, depends on accessories. Charge time is about 6 hours. You can do some other high-speed charging that might get that down to 2 or 3, but typically 6. And for the customers we work with, they typically load in the morning, they run it all day, they come back and then they charge. So the 6 hours is usually not an issue with our customers. For this particular truck, it's mainly delivery vehicles where there's a prescribed route. You know, it's within the range parameters, so very reliable. It saves on time for the drivers. There's less time starting out because there's fewer things they have to check. They never have to refuel the vehicle, so that gives them more time with the customer. That's really important in this segment. Initially, a lot of our product is going to be on the West Coast. There are still incentives in play. But you know, with the lithium-ion battery, we're driving the cost down significantly. And we're really within 12 to 18 months of making these vehicles pay off with lower total cost of ownership, even without incentives. So we're really excited about getting this product on the street. We train the technicians who are going to have to service the vehicle. We spend time with the drivers as well to get used to the new technology. The drivers who use this love it because it's quiet. They don't get any of the emissions and the diesel fuel smell that they don't like. And it also saves on wear and tear of the driver. So we have regenerative braking, so you can actually do one pedal operation, never have to put your foot on the brake. And that's something drivers really notice in terms of how they feel at the end of the day.